Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy pickled garlic. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh garlic, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget your favorite chili peppers and any other pickling spices you enjoy. Make sure your jars and lids are clean and ready for the pickling process. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by peeling all of your fresh garlic cloves. This can be the most time-consuming part. Next, create your flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar until they dissolve. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, ensuring everything is well incorporated. With your garlic peeled and brine ready, it's time to pack your jars. Carefully fill each clean jar with the peeled garlic cloves. Now, add your chosen chili peppers and any additional spices, distributing them evenly for consistent flavor. Pour the hot brine over the garlic, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Gently remove any air bubbles, then securely seal the jars with their lids. To ensure proper preservation, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool completely on a counter for 24 hours. Once cooled, store your spicy pickled garlic in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor, wait at least 2 weeks before enjoying your delicious homemade treat. It's worth the wait.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.